Welcome to our factory. This is Helen from Helen-Refinecolor, and today I will show you our factory around so you can have a better idea of what we are. And as you can see, this is our brand logo, Refinecolor, and we have been manufacturing the UV printer, DTF and PG printer over 60 years. And we have been cooperating with Hosonsoft for many years. We are his golden partner. And this is a gift from Hosonsoft when we moved our factory to this place last year to show our good cooperation. For now, all our printers use Hosonsoft's newest N10 mainboard, which is very stable. And this is our company showroom, showing our certificates, culture, brand cooperation, awards we have, and our development history. And these are the certificates we have. We are the CEFC Rose 3C certified factory. And these are our cooperative brands. We have been cooperating with many famous brands in China and abroad, like the next year, Hosonsoft and Travelong. And these are awards we have since we entered inkjet printer industry. Like this, we are awarded the Quality Trustworthy Product and also the Independent Innovation of China's most influential brand. And these are the Golden Partner Awards that are certified by Hosonsoft for us. These are our sample room with all our top-selling models displayed here, including the DTF printer, DG printer, UV printer, and also our smart printers.
DTF printer, DTG printer, smart printers, and UV printers for different needs.
And this is our assembly room. We have about 200 to 300 orders for our clients in China and abroad. And here is where our machines are assembled here.
We are a 16-year origin factory. We offer one-stop solution. We support hardware and software customization. We have strict quality control. We work with high efficiency.
And we also issue new products every year. These are our engineers doing the development and research for our new products. If you need printers, contact me. Refinecolor, your reliable partner.